Insertion of geometrical mean. Write down next topic. Next topic, write down please. Insertion of geometrical mean. Just like AP you have introduced.
So,
Yes.
so we have to complete one question which we left yesterday.
What was that question?
So ABC were given in GP and we had to prove that X, Y, Z are in AP, and one more statement was given. A raised to the power 1 by X is equals to B raised to the power 1.
Okay, I'll do that question. Okay, one question left. First we'll finish out. A, B, C are in GP. This is given in the question. At the same time, A power 1 by X is B power 1 by Y is C power 1 by Z. This is given. Question is, prove that X, Y, Z are in AP. Prove that X, Y, Z are in AP. This is the question we have. So this is the problem left. Last time we will complete that, please. First we will write B square is AC. ये तो पहली condition मेरे पास है. Second condition is this. To get this result simplified, let this value be K. Then I'll write A power 1 by X will be K, B power 1 by Y will be K, and C power 1 by Z will be K. Now if I take power X on both sides, what it will come? A power 1 by X whole power X is K power X. Same way B power 1 by Y whole power Y will be K power Y. And then come out to be C power 1 by Z whole power Z is K power Z. Now what this will become? A will be K power X. B will be K power Y now. And C come out to be K power Z. Now I got ABC. And this condition is with us. A B square is AC also. So I don't want ABC. I want XYZ result to be taken. So these values I will place in equation 1. When you place this value, what it will come? B square means K power Y whole square is K power X into K power Z. Or I should say K power 2Y will be K power X plus Z. As the base is same, 2Y is coming X plus Z. And what that indicate? X, Y, Z are in AP. Yes. Next, coming on topic, insertion of geometrical mean. Insertion of geometrical mean. If we have two numbers A and B, non-zero numbers are there, and we are inserting n geometrical mean denoted by G1, G2, G3 till Gn. We have A and B are two numbers, and we are inserting n geometrical mean between them. So G1, G2, G3, Gn to be taken. Now, when you are inserting n geometrical mean between the two, if we are inserting n geometrical mean between the two, that means you are inserting n numbers such a way that this with these n numbers all must form a GP. This should be counted as first term of GP, this is second term of GP, third term of GP, this is n plus first term of GP, and this is n plus second term of GP. So when you are inserting n numbers in between, that means you are inserting these numbers such a way that A, B, including these numbers, that is n plus 2 terms, will be forming a GP. And if you want that GP to be calculated, only the common ratio to be known. And how we calculate that we have done in AP also, same way here also. This will be our n plus second term we have. I should say A n plus 12th term will be B. Because this is one term, then n is here, so n plus 1 plus 1. So n plus second term. What is A? A will
So
be
sir, till B sir, फिर then bottom will be B sir. B का कौन सा expression होगा? Like we are
A
talking
and B
about
will be
Gn, we
given
are
in the
saying it is
question.
an plus 2.
B का होगा A R n plus 1. n plus second term होगी ना ये. एक टर्म ये रही, फिर उसके बाद n टर्म ये रही और एक टर्म ये रही, तो n plus second term हुई है. A n plus 1 n plus 2 will be B.
But sir, if I would have told you that B is the nth term, sir, if we assume B to be nth term, so sir Gn कौन सा होगा फिर?
No, you can't take n term because n you are inserting in between. n तो आप insert कर रहे हो, तो दो तो extra term आपको लेनी पड़ेंगी. या तो आप ये कहो कि मैं n minus 2 टर्म्स यहां ले रहा हूं और दो ये रही, तो दोनों मिलके n हो गई. बट क्वेश्चन में कह रहा है n आप इंसर्ट करो और दो एक्स्ट्रा दी हुई है, तो टोटल टर्म्स कितनी होगी? n plus 2 ही तो होगी. हाउ यू कैन से इट इज n टर्म? नो, इट विल बी n plus second term. अगर मैंने कहा 5 टर्म इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहा हूं तो 7 टर्म होगी ये. अगर हमने कहा 3 टर्म इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहा हूं तो इट विल बी 5th term. If I am inserting 10 terms, then there will be 12 terms. So that way you should keep in mind always the term will be n plus second. So
Okay.
A plus second, A r power n plus 2 minus 1 will be B. Or I should say A r n plus 1 come out to be B. Or I should say r power n plus 1 is B by A. R is coming B by A whole power 1 by n plus 1. So I got what is R common ratio. And as you got the common ratio, now I can calculate G1, that is the first geometrical mean. First geometrical means actually it is the second term of the series. Series की second term है, but geometrical mean first है. So we will say it is second term you calculate AR. AR means A B by A power 1 by n plus 1. Then we go for G2.
But sir, they are following the same expression ना? वो A AR A2 ऐसे ही चलेगा ना? वो A AR AR square
ये तो है ही, तो ये तो AR ही होगा ना?
ठीक है सर.
ये A आपने फिक्स किया हुआ है, तो ये AR होगा, ये AR स्क्वायर होगा, ये R क्यूब होगा. तो यहाँ देखो G1 का मतलब सेकेंड टर्म है सीरीज की, सेकेंड टर्म है मींस AR हुआ. Then G2 AR स्क्वायर, थर्ड टर्म है एक्चुअली, तो AR स्क्वायर बना. Then it will come A B by A power 2 by n plus 1. When I go for G3, that is actually the fourth term. Fourth term means AR cube हो गया. Then I'll write A B by A whole power 3 by n plus 1. And last we'll go for Gn. Gn is which term? N plus first term.
AR power.
So it will come A R power n. So A R will be B by A whole power n by n plus 1. This way you will be having n geometrical mean between the two numbers. By the way, if this is single geometrical mean you insert, केवल एक geometrical mean insert करना है, then what you will have? G by A will be B by G we will write, or I should say G square is AB, or G comes out to be root of A. So अगर सिंगल ज्योमेट्रिकल मीन की बात आ रही है तो रूट ए बी, और अगर आपने इंसर्ट किए एन नंबर तो वी विल से दीज आर द एन ज्योमेट्रिकल मीन. नाउ राइट वन क्वेश्चन ऑन इट प्लीज. इंसर्ट, राइट डाउन क्वेश्चन प्लीज. इंसर्ट 5 geometrical mean. Insert 5 geometrical mean between 576 and 9. Insert 5 geometrical mean between 576 and 9. This is the question we have. So in this case, when you are inserting 5 geometrical mean, ये 7th term हुई आपकी. It is the 7th term we have. 7 term means I should say AR6. That is coming 9. This is the 7th term. 7th term means AR6 coming 9. A is already 576. R power 6 is coming 9.
R power 6 is 1 by 6.
R power 6 9 by 576 तो ये 1 by 64 आएगा. That means R power
1 by 2.
1 by 2 power 6, so R is coming simply half. Now I find out what is G1. G1 is what? AR.
It's gone on.
Second term AR. AR means 576 into half. हाँ भाई कितना हुआ?
288.
288. G2 AR square 576 by 1 by 4 हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. It will be 144. उसका हाफ आएगा. G3 अब डायरेक्ट लिख रहा हूं मैं, कितना आएगा? 72. G4 लिया 36. G5 लिया
36.
18. ये आपके 5
18.
Okay.
Sir, I have to ask one thing, sir.
Yes.
Sir, is there any mandate like we got the equation r raised to the power 6 is equal to 1 by 64? So, sir, there we opted for the positive value of r, sir. वहाँ negative भी तो दे रहा था equation में r solution. Minus 1 by 2 की भी power raised 6 1 by 64 ही आएगा.
कैसे आएगा बेटा?
क्यों सर? -1 by 2 को अगर हम 6 रेस्ट करेंगे तो 1 by 64 ही होगा.
फिर यहाँ टर्म क्या आएगी? माइनस, फिर प्लस, फिर माइनस, फिर प्लस, फिर माइनस. हो सकती है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आपसे तो मैंने एक ही पार्ट पूछा ना कि
R
आपको
power 6
तो सर we can take common ratio as negative also ना.
you can take, because you got this result 576. R power 6 is coming how much? 9. R power 6 is coming 1 by how much? 64.
64.
आप इसको -1 by 2 power 64 6 भी तो लिख सकते थे. तो आंसर दोनों ही
हाँ.
एक्सेप्ट होंगे, बट क्योंकि आपसे कहा है 5 ही नंबर ड्रॉ करने हैं या 5 ही करने हैं, तो वो आपकी चॉइस है. माइनस में हम नहीं जा रहे, बट इट इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट.
Okay, sir.
One more question, write down please. Insert 6 geometrical mean between 27 and 1 by 81. 6 geometrical means G1, G2, G3, G4, G5, G6. 6 geometrical mean to be inserted between 27 and 1 by 81. Then G1, G2, G3, G4, G5, G6, 1 by 81. You have to insert 6 geometrical mean between them. Which term it will be?
Sir, 8th term.
Is it the 8th term this time?
8th.
Yes. So A8
Yes,
comes
sir.
out to be 1 by 81. Then what I write? AR7.
Yes.
A raised.
A will be 27. R power 7 is 1 by 81.
3 power 4, 3 power.
R power 7.
सब बार
ये 1
7
by
into 3.
power 7 हो जाएगा.
Sir, 3 power 7.
सर 3 होगा ना.
Okay, 3 power 7, right? ये 3 power 4, ये 3 power
1
3.
by 3.
Yes, so R comes out to be 1 by 3. As you got R 1 by 3, now what is G1?
9.
G1 is AR. That will be 27 into 1/3. How much? 9. G2 बोलो भाई. 27 into 1/9 हो जाएगा 3. G3 कर लेते हैं अब डायरेक्ट.
G3 1 1
1 by
G4
1 by 3
1/3.
1 by
G5
1 by 9
1/9 और G6
1 by 27.
1/20. Okay. Now write down one theorem. If n geometrical means are inserted between two quantities, then the product of n geometrical means, is the nth power
Is
yes, is the nth power of the single geometrical mean between two quantities. Question says that if you have introduced n geometrical mean between A and B, then the product of these geometrical means, that is G1 into G2 into Gn, should be equal to, if you insert one single geometrical mean between A and B, that is I am taking G. So what he is saying, that the product of this should be equal to nth power of single geometrical mean, means it should be power n. ये आपको प्रूव करना है. n geometrical means का product that come out to be the single geometrical mean power n. That is
सर
the
इनकी पावर्स AP बना देंगे. अगर AR स्क्वायर AR3 लिखेंगे तो R में 1 + 2 + 3 + still n + 1 हो जाएगा सर.
बनाओ, बिल्कुल वही करना है. और करना क्या है देखो, I'll start with this. G1 क्या होगा आपका? AR. ये R स्क्वायर, ये R क्यूब, ARn, यही होगा. Now when you multiply, it will come out to be A power n
or
R power 1 + 2 + 3 till n. This is an AP. I can write R power, this will be what? N by 2, 1 plus n. N by 2 A plus L formula I am taking. So I got this. A power n, R power n into n plus 1 by 2 I got. Is this clear? Now the problem is R is not known to us, so R we will calculate now by taking B. B कौन सी टर्म है? ARn plus 2 minus 1, right? It is n plus second term, so ARn plus 2 minus 1. Or I should say B is equal to AR power n plus 1. Or I should say B by A will be R power n plus 1. Or I should say R will be B by A whole power 1 by n plus 1. So I'll put this value here. A power n, R आपका आ गया B by A whole power 1 by n plus 1, and then whole power how much? N into n plus 1 by 2. N plus 1 get cancelled out. Then what I get here, this will be a power n, this will be b power n by 2 by a power n by 2, right or no?
So it will be a power n by 2.
अब ये a power n है, ये a power n by 2 है, so I get it a power n by 2 into b power n by 2. Or I should say it is ab power n by 2.
Root AB power.
Or I should say it is root ab whole power n.
Root AB.
रूट ए बी वॉज द सिंगल ज्योमेट्रिकल मीन बिटवीन ए एंड बी. अगर ए और बी के बीच में एक ज्योमेट्रिकल मीन है तो आपको मैंने पहले ही बताया g इज रूट ऑफ ए बी. So that means what is this? This is coming g. So I should say the answer is g power n. So product of all n geometrical mean I am getting g power n.
तो
Yes.
सर एक बार फिर से बता दो why g equals to root ab.
Question says that product of n geometrical mean is equal to nth power of single geometrical mean. अभी आपको मैंने कहा कि अगर आपके पास दो नंबर हैं a और b, उनके बीच में केवल एक ज्योमेट्रिकल मीन मैं इंसर्ट करूंगा तो क्या कंडीशन बताई थी? g by a will be b by g, or I should say g square is ab or g is coming root ab. So whenever you have a single geometrical mean, it is coming root ab. तो यहाँ जो root ab है वो किसके इक्वल है? That is the single geometrical mean here. इसकी जगह आप क्या लिख सकते हैं? You can write this as capital G, not G1, not G2. It is simply G. So we will say it is G power n. तो ये क्या कह रहा है? पहले n इंसर्ट करो, उनका प्रोडक्ट निकालो, फिर आप एक इंसर्ट करो, उसकी वैल्यू निकालो. तो जो आंसर आएगा इनका प्रोडक्ट वो क्या आएगा? सिंगल वैल्यू जो आपने निकाली है